Hey everybody, I'm here to tell you why the GlenDel Buck Series is by far the most superior 3D target on the market. First off, the GlenDel Series is available in 3 sizes, either the original GlenDel Buck, the pre-rut, or the big guy right here at the full rut buck. Now these are based off either a 200, 250, or a 300 pound deer. So depending on the size of the deer that you want to practice on, you have options. The next thing is the core is truly what sets the GlenDel Series apart from any other 3D target on the market, because the patented design of this core has easy arrow removal. It'll stop any arrow, whether it's an aluminum carbon, or even now the micro diameter shafts that are on the market. You can shoot your field points, your mechanical broadheads, or your fixed blade broadheads into this target, and it's going to stop every single one of them. Now the core to this has 4 shootable sides, which is going to give you a lot more longevity and a lot more durability than a standard 3D target, which has 2 shootable sides. But since they're narrower, on most of them you're passing through and you're actually blowing out the other side while you're shooting on one side. Whereas with these larger core designs that the GlenDel Series has, you truly have 4 shootable sides. It's easy to move the core or replace the core simply by pulling this pin out the back, raising the hatch, and putting your core or moving your core to a different position. All the cores have strategically placed vitals that are molded in there so that you can train yourself to practice exactly how you need to be efficient out in the field. Another great thing about the vitals and these cores is that each of the sides has a slightly different variation of where those are positioned. And the reason they do is because right underneath you'll see that they're labeled. This one is labeled straight on. The heart and lungs are placed in a position for, if you were shooting this animal straight on from a broadside position, you're going to teach yourself to put your arrows in the perfect spot. Whereas on another side of the core, it's going to be labeled quartering away, and they're going to be positioned slightly different so that when you angle the target and practice that quartering away shot, you're going to be shooting in the correct spot. And you have another side that's labeled from shooting from an elevated tree stand position. These are awesome targets, by far the biggest and toughest targets in the universe. If you're looking for the best 3D target out there, check out the GlenDel Buck Series.